Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm out at Howland's Casino today. I'm going to be playing a VGT machine. Squirrels Gone Nuts. Dollar denomination. We got $100 loaded in. We're going to start off on $3 bets. See if we can get some red screens. Hopefully we can double up today. Three of those Squirrels Gone Nuts will pay $2,500. That'd be amazing to get. Come on, singles. Nope. Nothing yet. Our time's coming. Come on, squirrel. Those acorns will pay also. Wow. Come on, squirrel. If we get to 50 bucks and we haven't had a hit, we're going to go down to 2. We got a little hit there. Oh, so close to them triples. Let's do one more and then go down to 2 pieces. And it's red. Come on, give us something good. Wow, 4 bucks. We'll take it. Got our bet back there. We're gonna go back to $3 a spin. Got our money back. Go red. $6 back there. Wow. We needed them on that line. Go back to 2. Let's try a few on 1. See if that'll do anything. There we go, $5. Go back to 2. Bet back. Back to 3. Back to 2. There we go, 20 bucks and it's red. Come on. Triple bars, guys, 80 bucks. Good deal. We needed that. That puts us about 12 bucks over where we started. We'll do a few backups. Last spin. Alright, we're going to take a $6 profit and be happy with it. Thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you soon.